Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Combined gas law explanation, practice, and examples. Correct answer is the combined gas law describes the relationship between the pressure, volume, and temperature of a gas. It states that the product of the initial pressure and volume divided by the initial temperature is equal to the product of the final pressure and volume divided by the final temperature. The formula is given as P1 V1 T1 equal P2 V2 T2. Practice 1. A gas has an initial pressure of 2 atm and an initial volume of 5L and an initial temperature of 300 K. If the final temperature is 350 and K and the final volume is 6L, what is the final pressure? 2. Gas at 3 atm 4L and 400 K is compressed to a volume of 2 land heated to 450 K. What is the final pressure? Examples 1. P1 equal 2 atm, V1 equal 5 L, T1 equal 300 K, T2 equal 350 K, V2 equal 6 L. Calculate P2. 2. P1 equal 3 atm, V1 equal 4 L, T1 equal 400 K, V2 equal 2 L, T2 equal 450 K. Determine P2.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.